again to my YouTube channel. Kama kawaida, it's your girl Karo JJ official, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. So guys, today mkiona niko hapo hivyo na maudunjo kama kawaida, home of food recipes, and today I'm going to show you how to fry beans using dakara, that one coconut powder cream. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use, and some spices here that I have. So guys, before we proceed, I had tomatoes, onion, garlic, the crushed one, and I have spices. I'm going to use 3 spices. That's black pepper and others. Then I have a Royco cube and coriander, without forgetting the green pepper. So let's cut onion together and tuone venye kitaenda. So guys, as you can see, nimeshakata my onions. It's now time niweke kwa mafuta. As you can see, nimeweka zinaiva mosmos. Yeah, let's wait even. Then we have to add the crushed garlic. Yeah, you can cut it into pieces or you can crush them. You can even use the powder one, because tuko nayo. Yeah, kunayo hiyo powder one, but me I prefer the yenye ko like the fresh one. Yeah, so ndio yuto mnatuona, ndio yuto nimeadd. Hope you're gonna like the recipe. After that, I'm going to stir and give it some time, some minutes. So it's now time for me to cut the onion, the tomato. You know guys, sikuwa nimezikata. Yeah, but I'm going to take you through like step by step, you get. That's why naenda mosmos hivyo. Yeah, so careful. I'm going to cut my tomato. Then after cutting, I'm going to add it into my sufuria. Hope you're gonna like it. You're going to like it. Yeah, try to cook with me and enjoy my cooking. So as you can see, I'm done cutting my tomatoes. So it's now time niinge kwa my mix yuko kwa meko. Yeah, so as you can see, nishaeka. Now I'm going to give it something like 5 minutes. Tukingoja our tomatoes zive, we are going to cut our green pepper. I'm careful going to cut it. Then after cutting it, naenda kuweka kando, because hizo ni vitu inafaa zikuwe crunchy. You get, hizo ni za kuweka mwisho, but I'm just preparing them like zikuwe tu ready. Yeah, now here I have my coriander. I'm also going to cut my coriander to keep them ready, so that ikifika tu time yake ya kuweka, I just add them. I'm trying my best today. Naona hata nimeimprove in cutting, like inakuanga poa, naweza kata vitu za majabu. Anyways, as you can see, I'm done cutting them, I'm done preparing them. So now ni tuangalie nyanya zetu zikoje. And besides that, I have my spices here. Nilikuwa niwaambia I'm going to use 3 spices plus Royco cube, that's black pepper and others. Yes, as you can see, our tomatoes is ready. Now it's now time for me to add salt kidogo, because I'm going to use spices. And as you know, most of the spices zinakwanga chumvi, so I had to add chumvi kidogo. That's a Royco cube I'm adding. ako kana kuanga very like kanaleta taste. When you use that, your food will be tasty. Then there I have paprika, Royco spice, that one, that curry spice. Yeah, then here I have black pepper. Yeah, I really like black pepper. I can't cook, then niache kuweka black pepper. Guys, you can see, hey, can I slap even before I add beans? So careful ndio avoid when I add beans isiungue. I'm going to add water, nini, maji kidogo, small water. It is small water. Then here I have my beans. My water imechemka. Now it's time niweke my beans. Wow, inakaa fiti. Hope you're gonna like it, guys. Yeah. So tukingoja hivi, I'm going to add maji kidogo. Yeah, so that we give it time kidogo. You want remember we are making beans stew, so hatuwezi kosa kuweka kasupu kidogo. Not too much, but kidogo. Naona venye inakaa fiti. Yeah, hope you're gonna like it, guys. So now it's now time, and guys, let me show you how to mix this kara, the coconut cream powder. It is white in color, as you know coconut zinakuanga white, so it is white in color. So you have to warm water first. You have to use warm water, not hot, warm water to mix. Yeah, so venye mnaona hivyo nilisha heat maji kwa heater, so my water is warm, not hot. Now nataka kumix my coconut cream powder. Just, inakaa fiti, guys. I wish you could taste this. Imagine, kalikuwa kana slap. Hebu cheki. Now I'm going to add. I enjoyed this meal. Use coconut powder and in any stew, then utaipenda. So hebu ona venye kana slap. Inakaa fiti. Anyways, guys, remember we are not done yet. So our bean stew, it is almost ready, and I have 2 more things to add. Here I have green pepper and coriander, so I'm going to add it. After adding it, I'm going to mix. And guys, guess what? Ebuona venye imetokelezea. It's very yummy even before you taste. Oh my god. Now our stew is ready. It's now time. I put in my bowl to serve. Yani it is ready to serve. Yeah. Ebu imagine, ebuona. If you will be you, like kama ingekuwa wewe, ungeserve na nini? Guess what? I had rice. I decided to serve it with rice. Na baida sijaonyesha how nini venye napika rice. I'm gonna show you in the next video. Ebu anaka rice kangu ndio kale, guys. Ebu try to be like, I don't even how can I say, but ebu ana venye nakaa fiti. I enjoyed this meal. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I love you. Bye bye.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord.